everybody, and welcome back to REsimpli's YouTube channel. My name is Ty Franklin. I'm here to talk to you today about something that's very, very important in order for you to get contracts signed with sellers so you can close more deals. And that is e-signing documents. The old days of getting people to sign documents and contracts in person, they are slowly coming to an end. Ever since the pandemic and COVID, there has been a significant increase in the amount of virtual closings that has been done due to people not being able to physically get near each other. So the rise of e-signing documents has been very vital to a lot of real estate businesses. With REsimpli, you have the ability within the CRM to send and receive all types of documents that you need to get signed, such as purchase and sales agreements, assignment agreements, termination contracts, contracts between yourself and contractors, rental agreements, and so much more. You can do all of that directly within the CRM. Now you might be asking, why is this important to have within your CRM? Well, me being a user of the REsimpli CRM and the platform and using this feature, I found that I saved a lot more time by not having to go to a third-party software such as DocuSign or HelloSign or Dotloop to get my document signed. I can do everything right within the CRM, save the time, and not spend money on additional software to do so. And on top of it being more efficient and saving time, I've found that it was also more cost effective as well. In comparison to other platforms that I've used previously, I found that utilizing the e-sign feature in REsimpli is more cost effective and more of a pay as you need versus these other platforms who charge you a monthly subscription fee to pay when you don't need to use it as much. So you're ultimately spending more money with these platforms unnecessarily. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up and send these documents within the CRM. Before I do that, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the video if you find it some value. Log in your dashboard, go to settings, go to e-sign templates. You wanna make sure you add your document that you're gonna use. So I have a purchase and sale agreement, assignment agreement, have a couple of templates here. So when you get ready to send out a contract or a document to get signed, open up your lead file, go to actions, go send for e-sign. Make sure you use one of your templates that you have uploaded or already created. And we're gonna go over to purchase and sales agreement, and we're gonna fill in the party information, right? So this one would be for you as the buyer. So it's gonna fill in your information. And then this section is gonna be for the seller. So fill in primary seller info. I'm using me as an example. And then I'm gonna send it to my email, hit submit. All of the fields are pretty much filled in, right? So the address is filled in, the offer price is filled in from the lead form. The only thing you have to fill in is the earnest money. You want to fill in the closing attorney. You can go ahead and add the value. If I want to put in the closing attorney, 123 title, the closing date, fill that in, 15 days, boom. Put in any additional provisions that's already there. So anything in blue is what you would have to sign as the buyer or wholesaler. Anything in green is what the seller will fill in. So what I like to do is fill in all the fields first and only have the seller sign when they get the document. The document is complete, so the only thing the seller needs to do is sign their name. Their name is already going to be there. And then here's the order. So you as the buyer will get the document first to fill out and complete and sign, and then after you sign it and complete it, the seller will get it. So I'll just go ahead and hit send. Another window is going to pop up. You can change the subject here. You can change the text in the body of the email as well. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna put test so I know that this is a test one. Let's hit send. It'll come to my email first or your email as the buyer, just like this. Hit view document. You'll also get a notification on your phone once it opens. Go to next required field. All I need to do is sign, finish. You'll get this notice here that it's been sent to the seller. Hit OK. And then this is what it will look like from the seller's view. Same thing as yours. Remember, this is the test one. They'll have to hit view document, instructions, accept. Name is already filled in. All of these fields are already filled in, and all they have to do is sign. And the reason that the price is not in this is because I don't have an offer price here inside of this seller lead. So if I put an offer here, then that would change it. And then once I have that offer in there, then it'll add into this as the purchase price. And then all they have to do is sign and then hit finish. Once they sign and hit finish, you'll get a notification, e-sign, document complete and signed by recipient. and then you can just go to e-sign here and see the completed document right here. Now that you see it's completed, sign and sign from me and the seller. And then you can print and download as you need. And then you will get a copy and the seller will get a copy as well. Hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the video if you found more value. If you are interested in trying out the software, make sure you click the link in the description to try out the 14-day free trial, and you can test it out for free. And then also you can get 50% off your first month once you complete the trial. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.